What if I told you that in 2026, you don't need a traditional job to start making money? With just your phone, internet connection, and the right skills, you can start earning online. And the best part? Many people are already doing this from their homes. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 realistic ways beginners can make money online in 2026, even if you are starting with little or no experience. Make sure you watch till the end because some of these methods require zero investment to start. Let's get into it. 1. Affiliate marketing. The first way to make money online is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale you generate. For example, you recommend a product online. If someone buys using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Many beginners start with platforms like Amazon affiliate programs, software affiliate programs, online course platforms. You can promote products through YouTube, social media, blogs, email marketing. This is one of the most popular ways people earn passive income online today. 2. Freelancing. Another powerful way to make money online is freelancing. Freelancing means offering your skills as a service online. For example, you can offer services like graphic design, writing, video editing, website design, virtual assistants. Many businesses hire freelancers from anywhere in the world. Popular freelancing platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. If you already have a skill, freelancing can help you start earning quickly. 3. Content creation. Content creation is one of the fastest growing opportunities online. You can create content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, blogs. Once your audience grows, you can earn money through ads, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling products. Many creators started with 0 followers and now earn full-time income from content. 4. Selling digital products. Digital products are products you sell online without physical inventory. Examples include ebooks, online courses, templates, design resources, digital guides. The advantage of digital products is that you create them once and sell them multiple times. Many people are making money selling digital products through platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy. 5. Online tutoring. If you have knowledge in a subject, you can make money through online tutoring. You can teach subjects like mathematics, English, coding, digital skills, business. Many platforms allow tutors to connect with students around the world. Online education is growing rapidly, making this a great opportunity. 6. Social media management. Many businesses struggle to manage their social media accounts. That's where social media managers come in. A social media manager helps businesses create content, schedule posts, respond to messages, grow their audience. If you understand platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can offer this service to businesses. Many social media managers earn monthly retainers from clients. 7. Print on demand. Print on demand is another beginner-friendly online business. In this model, you design products like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, phone cases. When someone buys your product, a print-on-demand company prints and ships it to the customer. You don't need to hold inventory. Your job is simply to create the designs and promote them online. 8. Blogging. Blogging is still a powerful way to earn money online. A blog is simply a website where you publish helpful content. You can make money from blogging through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, selling products. Many successful blogs generate thousands of dollars monthly. The key is choosing a niche and consistently publishing helpful content. 9. Virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and companies hire virtual assistants to help with administrative tasks. These tasks may include responding to emails, scheduling meetings, managing social media, research. Virtual assistants work remotely and are paid for their time or services. This is a great option for beginners who want to start earning online quickly. 10. Selling skills online. Another powerful way to make money online is selling your knowledge or expertise. For example, if you know how to design graphics, edit videos, build websites, run ads, you can teach others through online courses, coaching, consulting. Knowledge has become one of the most valuable assets in the digital economy. Key advice for beginners. Before you try everything on this list, here's an important tip. Don't try all 10 methods at the same time. Instead, choose one method. Learn it, practice it, and stay consistent. Most people fail online not because the opportunities are fake, but because they quit too early. The internet has created more opportunities than ever before. Today, anyone with internet access can learn digital skills and build an online income. The important thing is to start small and stay consistent. With time, those small steps can grow into something big. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, online business, and AI tools for making money online, then subscribe to this channel Learn to Earn, because I'll be sharing practical strategies every week to help you build digital income. And before you go, comment below, which of these 10 ways would you try first? I'd love to know.